Welcome to our webinar on the 7 steps to get a Hollywood smile in Turkey. Today we will take you on a journey to explore the secrets behind achieving the perfect smile. Turkey has become a renowned destination for dental tourism with cutting-edge technology and affordable prices. Our expert doctors will guide you through the step-by-step process of obtaining a stunning Hollywood smile. And they're here to answer any question you may have. Get ready to discover the smile of your dreams and stay tuned for our generous giveaway. Well, at the end of the webinar, a winner will be selected, so it's vital for you to stick around all the way to the end because, you know, there's going to be a very generous gift for our winner. Today at our studio, we're here with Dr. Serdar, Dr. Ahnaf, and Dr. Medina. They're here for you to answer all your questions and inquiries. And I have questions right now. These questions, I'm sure you have them in your mind. I'm just going to pass them along. All right. I'm going to start with Dr. Ahnaf. I have a few questions for you. Well, Dr. Ahnaf is the CEO of DentSpa. Dr. Ahnaf, what makes Turkey the hub of health tourism?
First of all, thank you very much, Kinana, for the nice introduction. And I would like also to thank the team that makes all of that event successful. And I would like to thank people behind the screen who are watching us now. And I promise them to have a very good time together.
I'm pretty sure of that.
In these 50 minutes, it will be one of the best, I promise. So coming to your question, you know that we have established many or multiple companies in different countries, including London and Dubai. But when it comes to the health tourism, I have done my homework and I found that Turkey is the best place to establish health tourism company and dental polyclinics. And I discovered that more than 550 international companies in different fields have established they are operating from Istanbul, and they have research and development departments here in Istanbul. So why did we decide to establish DentSpa in Istanbul?
Yeah.
Actually, the answer in very few words is to make the life of our guests easier. And I call my patient guests. So we want to make the life of our guests easier by selecting a closer geographical location for their places, for their cities. Number two, affordable prices, faster results, and best customer care or best patient experience we can deliver here in Istanbul. Why? First, the geographical location.
Of course.
Turkey is near or close to so many countries. You can reach to Istanbul from anywhere in the world within 4 or 5 hours, except USA. But you can reach to Istanbul within 5 hours from anywhere in the world. And also Istanbul is a historical, beautiful, one of the most beautiful cities in the world. So you will enjoy it when you come to Istanbul. You will enjoy the history. Now, for the affordable prices, I will speak in details about affordable prices later on. For the customer care, Turkey has more than 50% of their population young people below 33 years old. 50% of the population. What that means to us? As a businessman, it means to me that I have so many options, so many employees. They can serve the patient with different languages and they deliver the best customer care, the best patient experience. And finally, the fast results. Why the fast results are here in Turkey? We will speak about it in details after, but in few words, We can say because of the high technology, the digital technology that we have in Turkey.
Okay, so what differentiates DentSpa from other establishments here in Turkey?
What differentiates DentSpa from other establishments here in Turkey? This is a very good question. What makes us different is that we don't sell dentistry. We don't sell dentistry. So what do we sell? Actually, we sell the care. We sell a new life to our guests. We sell self-confidence. We sell self-esteem. We open doors for new opportunities in life, in relationships, and in job. So we don't consider that dentistry is just a dentistry, it's just a career. We consider dentistry is a life-changing lifestyle, and we give our patients the care they deserve. So that's actually the headline of what makes us different. And how we deliver this because we have a mission. We have a mission in DentSpa that we love. We have passion to help people. And we have built DentSpa on a set of values, set of core values, powerful values. And I can summarize our core values in four values. First, happiness. Second, transparency. Third, centricity. And number 4, the continuous development. When I speak about happiness, we try to transform the happiness to our patients, to our guests. We try to make everybody happy by making our employees happy. Our doctors are happy, our nurses, everybody in the organization is happy, and transform happiness. Now, number 2 is the centricity. Centricity means that we put our patient in the center, and all of us are taking care of him. So we are all here for one boss, which is the patient. And we consider him the center, and we all, as a committee of doctors,
yes,
we have maxillofacial surgeon, we have prosthodontist, endodontist, periodontist, endodontist, implantologist, cosmetic dentist, and all of them are focusing on one goal, which is our guest. This is the centricity. Now, number 3 is transparency. Transparency means that we offer our guests more than one option in treatment planning. Not only one option.
Yeah, you don't push them to just
exactly.
Pick this one.
We give them many options, then we help them to select the best solution for their cases. Number 4, we believe in continuous development. So we make every day better than the day before by improving our technology, improving everything that we can improve. So if there is any new technology, we seek to have it in DentSpa every day. So that's what makes DentSpa different. The values behind it.
I can already feel the energy here.
Thank you.
Honestly, like I feel comfortable, I feel safe, honestly. Now I would like to introduce Dr. Serdar. He has 20 years of expertise and extensive knowledge of oral and maxillofacial surgery, developed a friendly relationship with his patients, research, and engaged best practices, a commitment to staying updated with the newest dental treatments, perform numerous patients, evaluations, and diagnostic procedures. So now I'm going to be asking you a question.
Please. Mm-hmm.
What procedures fall under the category of oral and maxillofacial surgery?
Thank you, Kinana. So, yes, I am the oral and maxillofacial surgeon, and I work with DentSpa like 4 years. What is oral and maxillofacial surgeon? That's a big field in surgical branch that focuses on to solve the problems and diseases of entire maxillofacial complex. We can summarize it starting with a simple extraction, tooth extraction, to a big surgeries like reconstructive surgery of facial and skull, For example, after a car crash, the patient has big trauma. So small, simple operations to big operations. So when we think about the big perspective, of course, no one can expertise very well in one field of the specialty. So every colleagues try to sub-specialty with the region, with the field. So some colleagues interested in cleft lift repair, some colleagues interested in orthodontic surgery, some of them oncologic surgery. I preferred orthodontic surgery and reconstructive surgery in my residency program. But of course, we have all learned about all branch of oral and maxillofacial surgery. When we talk about Hollywood Smile, we mainly focused on dental implants. So the people who lost who lost their teeth need sometimes dental implants, and the dental implants only be performed if the bone structure is good, is sufficient. So reconstructive surgery helps that people who lost their bone structure. So my specialty, my interest with reconstructive surgery helps me to deal with that kind of patients.
So you actually help a lot of people restore their beauty, restore, like you can get in a car crash and you could just, you know, not look the way you used to look before. And there's hope. There's always hope when you're in the right hands and you get the reconstructive treatments.
For Hollywood Smile, we always try to do the bone reconstruction for dental implants, and if in need, we perform some big surgeries. But most people have small touches for dental implants.
Thank you, Dr. Serdar, for the informative answer. I'm going to ask you one more question,
please,
if it's possible.
Thank you, of course.
Is there a specific age range for patients who would benefit from oral and maxillofacial surgery?
When we talk about oral and maxillofacial surgeon, there is no limitations with the age. We can do all kinds of surgeries for any age. But if we talk about Hollywood Smile, we do not recommend the patients under 18, because until that age, the growing is going on, the bone grows, teeth grows, the structures get...
like you're still not fully developed.
Yes, development still goes on, so we do not recommend Hollywood Smile techniques with surgery or without surgery before 18.
Now I'm going to move to Dr. Medina. She has PhD in prosthodontic specialty with 13 plus years of experience developing high quality patient care and have quite extensive knowledge of dental treatments and techniques, priority oral health care, handling dental and facial issues that involve restoring missing tooth and jaw structures, comfortable working with people who suffer from dental anxiety. So, Dr. Medina, I have a question for you.
Sure.
Tell me, what is a Hollywood Smile?
Basically, Hollywood Smile is covering your teeth by veneers, by crowns, by bridges, make them more aesthetic and beautiful.
So it's not related to Hollywood stars?
Well, actually, it is. It's come from the, of course, it's come from the Hollywood.
The name Hollywood Smile is not a scientific terminology. Actually, it is a procedures lead to a beautiful smile like a TV stars. That's why people call it Hollywood Smile.
Inspired by...
Exactly. That's why people call it Hollywood Smile. So we make the beautiful smile by crowning, by bridge, by veneers, by laminate veneers, by Emax, a lot of technical issues leading to a beautiful smile like a TV star. And sometimes also we need to make aesthetic procedure for the gum to make the cosmetic appearance of the gum and the length of the teeth. So it includes everything. Sometimes we need implants. Sometimes we put Botox for the gummy smile. Sometimes we put Botox. Sometimes it is many procedures all together lead to a beautiful smile. Like,
it's perfect for your face. Actually, a beautiful smile is the best makeup you can ever put on.
Yeah, and it's different from person to person. Sometimes sometimes we have people say, please don't prepare my teeth.
Yeah.
But this is not optional sometimes. Sometimes you need to prepare your teeth, and you can make laminate veneer or lumineers that doesn't need a lot of preparation. Others need crowns like me. So it's different from case to case.
So Dr. Medina, what steps does a prosthodontist usually take when performing a Hollywood smile procedure?
Okay, let's start first steps. When patient comes to our clinic, we are taking X-ray and then we are doing oral examination. After oral examination, we are giving few questions for understanding what's the exactly our patient wants from us, what's the expectation from us. And after that, we are giving advice. We are explaining firstly X-ray, the teeth and position of the teeth, and giving the advice doing this step with the crowns, bridge, or veneers, which is best treatment for the patient. And giving the different advices. Of course, it's not only one treatment plan. It's going to be the different treatment plan. And we are choosing together which one is the best for our patient.
Like I'm curious, like if a patient, for example, has no teeth at all, what procedure you normally go for?
So when the patient have no teeth, then we are taking consultation from the surgery. So this step is a Dr. Sardar step, which is he comes and give advice, how many implants, what we are going to do the next step. So I think it's the best way to explain the Dr. Sardar.
Thank you. The patients without any teeth, sometimes they are very difficult to treat. So we need to evaluate with prosthodontists, laboratory technicians together which one suits best for our patients. We do it on the X-ray, sometimes tomographic evaluations, and decide what kind of dental implants we will use for him, for them, and which technique we will use. Sometimes we need only 4 implants for a full arch treatment, but in some cases we need 6 implants, sometimes 8 implants for only 1 arch. For full mouth repairments, for full mouth treatments, we may need sometimes 14, sometimes 16 implants. So we need to evaluate the patient first in details and choose the best option with dental implants and try to simulate it with our technicians and consultate with prosthodontists for the best treatment options.
Considering your specialty, Dr. Sardar, I would like to ask, what can I expect during and after an oral and maxillofacial surgery procedure?
So hopefully, with the scientific research and literature and modern dentistry, we have local anesthetics. So with the local anesthetics, there is no problem with the surgical procedures. Of course, you can feel something, some pressure, some noises, but mainly no problem with the procedures. It takes sometimes longer, sometimes shorter, but it's okay with the local anesthetics. After the operation, again, it depends on the surgical procedures. With simple surgical procedures, normally there is no problem with after surgery. Maybe one day painkillers the patients needs.
It's normal. Any procedure you will ever get, you'll ever get done, will require resting.
We always recommend some medications, but some patients come to the next day. Oh, I didn't need any of them. Of course, there is some cases like that, but normally 2 days, 3 days. Some uncomfortable things we may expect. For the big surgeries, when we talk about reconstructive car crash patients, of course it takes more time, but when we talk about, again, Hollywood smile, I think we can tell it like 2 days period. He may feel some uncomfortable things like that.
Thank you so much for your input, Dr. Serdar. Now I'm going to move to Dr. Ahnaf. So how do the costs and procedures compare to other countries?
Okay, good question. Costs. We are talking about health.
Yep.
And when we speak about health, I believe that cost should not be in the first priority.
Yeah.
I always say in health, money is an issue, but it is not the issue. Now, coming to your question, affordable prices doesn't necessarily mean that lower quality.
Yeah.
But maybe in the opposite sometimes, maybe higher quality. But there are reasons make Turkey more affordable prices, more cost-effective when it comes to health tourism. Why? There are reasons for this. First, the support from government. We are getting support from government because we are licensed as a health tourism company and polyclinic. So we don't pay high taxes on treating the international patients. And this is one of the smartest decisions that the Turkish government took, in my opinion.
It's very interesting. I didn't know
to motivate the health tourism in this country. So that's helping us to reduce the cost, and then we reduce the price. Number two, the currency of Turkey and the value of the currency in opposite to dollar or sterling pound or to euro. And number three is the availability of manpower with affordable cost. Yeah. There are so many young people in this country, so we can find a lot of employees with affordable cost, and that help us to give the service, the dental treatment to international patients or international guests with affordable price. So there are reasons. But again, when it goes to the health, don't look for the cheapest. But
look for the best quality.
Exactly. The best quality with affordable price. Good quality with affordable price. And that's what you can find in some places in Turkey. And I hope that DentSpa is one of these places.
Well, I have a friend personally that had her treatment done by Dr. Serdar, and she recommended me actually to get my own treatment.
That's good testimonial. This is life testimonial.
Well, I just thought, it's just a thought to put it out there. Honestly, I am genuinely recommending this clinic. Are there any specific tips people should follow when seeking dental treatment in Turkey?
Yes, of course. When you seek dental treatment in Turkey, first of all, make sure that this clinic or this polyclinic is specialist. Specialist means there are so many companies, they sell everything in health tourism, but only few are specialists in dentistry. And not only in dentistry, but inside dentistry, there are 13 specialties, as I have said before. So we at DentSpa, we have many specialties like maxillofacial, prosthodontist, endodontist, pedodontist, periodontist, implantologist. So all dental. So make sure that it is a specialist in dentistry, because who is selling everything, he is mostly not perfect in everything. But when you are specialized, you can improve yourself in this field and focus on it. And that's what we do in DentSpa. And why we call it DentSpa, by the way? DentSpa.
Spa. Relaxation.
And, yeah, and the slogan is smile and relax. Smile and relax. I want to connect dentistry with relaxation.
With good feelings.
With good feeling.
Yes.
It's not connected to the pain. That's why we make an spa.
We focus on the bright side of everything.
Spa atmosphere with good quality dentistry. Now let's go back to your question.
Sure.
The trick number 2, make sure that this clinic that you want to go, listing the CV of their doctors in the website, and you can seek and you can search about these doctors. You can find the background of each doctor, because some companies are just marketing agencies. They don't have polyclinics, and it's okay, but you have to know. So in our company, we are not an agency, we are a polyclinic, and we have doctors and we own the clinics. This is number 2. Now number 3, make sure that they have the license from Ministry of Health to treat international patients, because not every clinic in Turkey is allowed or licensed to treat international patients. Only few, they have this license. Why? Because Ministry of Health wants to make the guarantee of the quality for international patients, because it affects directly the reputation of the country, not only the clinic. That's why there is a specific license to treat international patients, and you have to know, you have to make sure that the polyclinic...
So you're picking the right place.
Exactly. You have to check if they have this license or no. In addition, of course, to the international certification.
That's a very good tip. It's for your own safety.
Exactly.
For you to get like a good
to feel
treatment.
safe.
You don't want to just go to a random clinic if they don't have enough expertise, and you would just end up losing your money and having your...
And you can check this license on the website of the Ministry of Health, not the polyclinic itself. You can ask for the link.
Do your research,
and
really.
You can see that in the Ministry of Health.
You're going to pay that much money, do your research, right?
Exactly. It's not about money again. It's about health.
And I want to thank DentSpa. It was really a good experience. I really enjoyed it. Thank you. My name is Bill Bark. I'm from United States, Midwest, near Indianapolis, Pennsylvania. My son came here, had some work done. He was really impressed, so he got a hold of me, and I came here, and I was impressed by what was done. I was meticulous. Dr. Gina, she's meticulous. Everybody was professional. Everybody was pleasant. The only language I know coming from America is English, and everybody spoke English well. Like I said, quite professional and really clean. Everything is quite sterile. Things went well, no complications. Everybody took their time, and I am pleased with the way everything turned out. And I would recommend anybody needing any procedures to come here. It's really nice here. It's nice in Turkey. I got to see a little bit of Turkey too. Thank you.
So, Dr. Medina, what techniques are you using here in DentSpa to achieve the Hollywood smile?
So, modern dentistry is a digital world. In DentSpa, we are using intraoral scanners, which is taking patients' teeth impressions very quick, very fast, and very easy way. Of course, it's very accurate way to send to our lab. And our lab using the CAD/CAM technology, which is it makes our job, it's easy and fast.
So we can finish the Hollywood smile in just 5 days, right?
Right. We are finishing in just 5 days.
And in implantology, Dr. Sardar, what brands you are using in the implants?
So there are many stock implants in the market. So you can choose anyone, but we are very confident about 5-6 implants in our clinic. So we use them like 6 years.
Yeah.
Yeah, now it's 6 years, and we are very happy with all of them.
Swedish, Swiss, German, Turkish, different brands. But if you ask me what are the techniques we are using in DentSpa for a Hollywood smile, I will answer. I will say the only technique we have in DentSpa is love.
Love.
We know how to love our patients. We love patients. We love our guests. That's why we are using the best technology.
Well, this is the best technique.
Yeah?
There is.
This is the technique,
the best
really.
technique there is.
This
We all want some love.
This is a real.
Yes.
This is a real, and this is our mission. Because we love our patients, because we love our guests, we bring the best doctors that we know.
Yep.
We bring the best technology that we know. We give the guarantee, the best guarantee that we have. So we are using the best implants in the world, like Straumann, like Nobel Biocare. I don't want to say brands, but we have many brands and all are good, but it is not as good as the dentist himself, the surgeon himself. It's more important than the brand of the implant, because at the end of the day, it's all titanium. They are all good. Some of them are Mercedes, some of them are like Honda Accord or whatever, but at the end of the day, the surgeon is more important. The prosthodontist is more important than Emax or veneers or laminate or zirconium. It is not important as the doctor himself. Because the doctor, he will select the best for you. It's not, you don't need to think too much about the brand of the implant, brand of the material. Just trust your doctor.
What fits you, your gum, your certain
Just
situation. Like everybody has different needs, right?
Trust your doctor and he will give you the options that fit for your case.
Especially if you're seeking quality.
Of course.
So you told me that the procedure takes only 5 days and you get that Hollywood smile.
Correct.
How long does it last for?
Firstly, if there is implantology, it will need more time because the patient will come for 2 times to Istanbul. First time for implant, second time for crowns, right?
Yes, right.
And in the first time, he needs few days, and in the second time, he needs another few days. But it is 2 times if there are need for implantology.
Yeah.
Now, your question is about how much it should last.
Yes.
In our company, in our clinic, in DentSpa, because we try to do everything perfect, the Hollywood smile should last for life.
Yeah.
And we give our patients a guarantee from the dental laboratory and from the dental implant company, from the material company, and from DentSpa for the result that he get. But if he don't care about his smile, of course there will be no guarantee. If you don't, people think that if I have a Hollywood smile, I don't need to floss, or I don't need to brush, or I don't want to
You need to take care of it even more because
Exactly. So he needs to take care more than the natural teeth. And sometimes, and many times, and almost all times, we have to use the night guard to avoid breaking this teeth, right, Dr.?
Yes.
There are certain tips, people just need to follow it, and then they can actually protect and have their teeth for a life.
Yeah, but in general, Hollywood smile must stay for life if it's done perfectly by the right hands.
So, Dr. Serder, are there any risks or complications associated with oral and maxillofacial surgery? How are these addressed?
Of course, as we know, every treatment, every health issues has own risks and complication problems, but we can reduce the complications and we can get less risk by doing some improvements to your approach. We can use up-to-date equipments. The staff should be experienced. The main treatment plan should be evaluated deeply. So when we take care of all of them, the risk get less, complication risks get less. So the main issue is to prepare the treatment plan in very detailed type. So I'm working, as I said before, I'm working like 4 years in DentSpa. When we think about, again, with the topic Hollywood Smile and dental implants, I can tell you that we are very successful with these kind of treatments. When we talk about the Hollywood Smile, I think, as I know, it is like 99% success. So
that's like what, like 100 almost?
Yes.
So basically, it's mostly successful. Yeah.
We are not afraid of the risks and complications because we are very prepared for all kind of.
You have kind of a risk management team.
And if any complication happens, the love comes again. We solve the problem. If any complication is normal in dentistry or in medicine.
Any health kind
But the most important is how to deal with the complications and how to take care of the patient after complication. And that's why we love him again. And we make the right
I feel the love.
Yes.
All right, so how long does the recovery period typically last for oral, maxillofacial, and for the like Hollywood Smile procedure?
Yeah.
Surgery.
So, especially in the clinic environment, we usually do something like dental implants, extractions, minor surgeries, and in that kind of surgical procedures, the patients needs to be here like 2 days, 3 days. For a more detailed surgeries, like sinus elevation or bone transfer or bone grafting kind surgeries, the patients needs to stay like 5 days, 6 days, but not more. For big surgeries, when we talk about the oral and maxillofacial field and big surgeries, sometimes we need more. But when we again stand with the topic, it takes like 4 days, 5 days is enough.
Yeah, that's not much at all. It's a little price to pay. Little price to pay for a beautiful, perfect smile, ain't it? So, Dr. Medina, I have one last question for you today. What tips can the prosthodontist give to ensure a successful outcome?
After treatment, our patient leave us with a healthy gum and with healthy teeth. We are teaching them technique how you are going to look after your teeth, such as brushing them, right technique, and floss them. And of course, if they need, using night guards. If patients follow them all the steps, the long time, the patient have a healthy teeth and healthy gums.
Actually, I love the word healthy, healthy. She didn't say beautiful. This is very important to focus on, that the infrastructure is more than the...
It's more important than the...
Exactly. Aesthetic is coming. It's easy.
Yes.
The easiest part, the easiest
part is to get it aesthetically.
The easiest part in Hollywood Smile is the aesthetic part, the easiest part. People doesn't know that.
So what about teeth health, right?
The most important thing is the infrastructure.
Yeah.
What is the infrastructure?
Yeah.
It is the bone and the gum.
Gums, yeah.
Bone and gum and occlusion.
Yes.
If there is not perfect occlusion, problems will appear later where? In the TMJ, in this joint. That's why it is complicated. You need specialists. You need more than one specialist to get these results. And by the way, problems doesn't appear immediately after tomorrow. It appears maybe after 1 year, 2 years, 3 years. That's why from the beginning you have to select the best specialists,
Yes.
different specialties.
100%.
They take care about the infrastructure. That's why when I made my Hollywood smile, I was very, very happy, believe me. Only because the gum is very beautiful.
Healthy.
The gum is healthy. The occlusion is perfect. Then I think about
How
the
it looks.
aesthetic, how it looks. This is easiest thing, easy.
Yeah.
But if the gum, if the bone, if the occlusion are not perfect, then problems will appear.
Sugar, yeah. So that takes us to our last question for the session. What is next?
What's next? Good question. What's next? What's next? Always the next. I told you one of our value is that we are improving every day. So now we are focusing in these days on opening or focusing on the orthodontic surgery. And orthodontic surgery is one field of surgery which is connected to orthodontics. And it is not easy, and very few doctors in the world know how to do it. And if you find them, it is very, very expensive, especially in USA and Europe and UK. But here in Turkey, we have the best surgeons, and we are performing very good orthodontic surgery. Number two, I would like to announce that we are establishing, or we already established, a new brand for plastic surgery, but we don't mix it with DentSpa. DentSpa is a dent spa, smile and relax. Now we have Hospital XP. It's a new brand specialized in plastic surgery. So when you come for health tourism in Turkey or in Istanbul, you can make the dental treatment in DentSpa and the plastic surgery for you or for your family in Hospital XP. Finally, I would like to announce that we have invented something we called a new brand. We call it DentSpa Celebrity Smile.
Oh,
and maybe this is
I like the sound of that.
Yeah, DentSpa
personally, yeah.
And this is a new, maybe also for our doctors. It is a VIP package that we have designed. Includes everything about Hollywood smile procedures and crowns, veneers, Emax, and handmade crowns like mine, plus 5 stars hotel with Bosphorus view in the whole week, and flight ticket and a driver with a car in the whole stay, with a tourism trips inside and outside of Istanbul. All of that with $9,900, which is almost 8,000 pounds, maybe.
Wow.
Yeah.
That is an opportunity.
Yeah, it is. And there are
not to miss out on.
There are only 80 places per month. We cannot take more than 80 persons per month, actually, to deliver the best quality.
It's like a whole experience, full inclusive.
All inclusive.
Really, really affordable.
5 stars surface and 5 stars dentistry, which is more important. But it is a nice journey. It will be a very nice experience.
So like lifestyle and
dentistry.
And dentistry.
DentSpa Celebrity Smile. In implantology, there are also new things and next generation that Dr. Sardar can give better than me.
Oh, thank you, Dr. Ahnaf. Yes, as Dr. Ahnaf has already told that we are always searching for new technologies, new scientific achievements. So we are able to do some kind of new technology, using new technology, that we can do custom implants for especially the patients who has lost his bone very severely. So to get the reconstruction surgery sometimes really complicated, and that patients doesn't want to go under a surgery like that. So for these kind of patients, we have options like custom-made implants. We can also recommend sometimes zygomatic implants.
Zygomatic implants, yeah.
So
and zirconium implants.
Zirconium implants is a new technology, for aesthetic part.
Aesthetic, for Hollywood smile, zirconium
Zirconium is the
implants.
best, right?
So zirconium implants, that zirconium abutment and zirconium implants.
Yes.
So it's more aesthetic. And one more thing is the all-on-4. We are specialists, our surgeons are specialists in all-on-4, all-on-6 implants. That means that you can make a Hollywood smile or a new full mouth teeth on only 4 implants or 6 implants, and avoid big surgeries like sinus lifting or bone augmentations and complicated surgeries. So this is the next.
That's more comforting.
The next is that
It's more comforting for people who have like severe issues like that.
Yeah,
and require a solution.
Before the webinar, you asked me, you are reading a lot. I said, yes, we are reading a lot.
Yes.
We are learning a lot. We are improving a lot. Every day we see
You
a
keep
new
up with the
opportunity
latest technologies and
latest technologies,
information.
latest information, and we make every day better than yesterday.
Well, these are the qualities of a very successful clinic, I'd say.
Thank you very much.
Yeah. So now we came to our surprise part of the night. There's actually a giveaway from DentSpa. It's a very generous giveaway to one of the people that were attending our webinar today. The names are going to be there on the screen, and drum rolls, we're going to announce a winner.
But what he will get? What he will get?
Just about to disclose that very, very, very big reveal.
Good.
So the surprise is an all-inclusive Hollywood smile treatment from DentSpa in Istanbul. All-inclusive, for free, for our winner tonight. I'm jealous. Okay?
So it includes.
I'm so jealous.
It includes accommodation.
Well.
And flight. So it is the celebrity. DentSpa Celebrity Smile. I will give it now.
I'm jealous.
DentSpa Celebrity Smile. DentSpa Celebrity Smile.
This is very generous from DentSpa Clinic. I'm really, really, really happy for our winner today.
And Dr. Medina, Dr. Serdar, they will take care of him.
Hi there. If you live in the United Kingdom, this is your chance to get a free Hollywood smile in Turkey, all costs included. In addition to the operation, the prize includes 5-star accommodation, as well as a 2-way flight ticket and transportation from and back to the airport. And in return, all you have to do is register for DentSpa's 50-minute webinar conference, and your name will be automatically considered for DentSpa's generous giveaway.
Now to our other big reveal, the winner for today. Check out the screen right now. Come on, come on. Show me the winner. Well, I'm very excited. Excited for the person who is winning tonight, actually.
Yes.
Oh, Miss Michaela Gatley. Come on. Congratulations, our winner of the day. I'm so happy for Michaela. She's gonna have a very, very pleasant experience. I mean, I've been here for like almost an hour, and I feel really motivated myself, and I'm kind of jealous.
Thank you.
But I'm also really happy for the winner.
Thank you very much, and congratulations, and welcome, Michaela, to Istanbul, DentSpa. We promise you that we will try to change your life by a Hollywood smile done by Dr. Medina and Dr. Sardar, and I will supervise every step of your journey. And you will enjoy it, and you will speak to people about it, inshallah. Thank you.
And I would like to thank Dr. Sardar, Dr. Ahnaf, and Dr. Medina for this amazing talk today, for answering all of these questions and inquiries. I feel the love.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. It's been a pleasant conversation. And
thank you.
Tune in for another time.
Thank you very much, Kinana. Thank you, Doctor. Thank you, Dr.
Thank you.
Dr. Medina. And welcome all to Istanbul. Welcome to DentSpa, and we promise you that you will enjoy it. Welcome.